Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox when you can't play games. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can prevent games from loading. Next, try restarting the Roblox application entirely and then reboot your computer. Sometimes, a simple refresh resolves many common glitches. Finally, confirm that Roblox's own servers are not experiencing outages, as this would affect everyone. These initial steps often get you back into the game within a few minutes. Moving on, let's look at your software. Make sure your graphics drivers are fully updated. Outdated drivers can cause performance issues. It's also a good idea to clear the Roblox cache and any temporary files, as accumulated data can sometimes corrupt game launches. Additionally, try temporarily disabling any third-party antivirus or firewall software, as these can occasionally block Roblox from connecting properly. Remember to re-enable them after testing. If the problem persists, a fresh start might be necessary. Consider completely uninstalling and then reinstalling the Roblox player. This ensures you have the latest, uncorrupted version. For older systems, running Roblox in compatibility mode can sometimes resolve issues. Also, always check that you have enough free disk space. Roblox typically requires at least 100 megabytes for installation and updates. These steps can often fix deeper software conflicts. For more persistent problems, we can explore advanced network solutions. Try flushing your DNS cache and renewing your IP address. This can resolve connection issues. You might also consider configuring your router's port forwarding specifically for Roblox, which can improve connectivity. If all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to Roblox support directly. They have specialized tools and knowledge to help diagnose and fix complex problems, ensuring you can enjoy your games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.